So multiply this by 9, this by 9, this by 9. Now down here, we'll multiply everything by 23. So, how this are going now? This is the 207x that we got from before. So now we have 23 times 24. Well, fine. That's not hard to do. There we go. Alright, 23 times 4, that's looking a lot like 46 plus 46, which is 92. So this part is 92. 46 with a 0 at the end. There we go. Now this is looking like 552. So this is going to be 552y. And then now we have 23 times 3, which is 69. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to minus this from that, because these, if both of them were minuses, we would still subtract both of them. Once they have the same sign, or rather once they have the same, if both of them are positive, you subtract. If both of them are negative, you subtract. So they have the same sign in front of them. So we're subtracting this from that. So this is kind of weird. This is kind of weird. Alright, really, what is this? Yeah, sorry. 400 minus what? 59 from that, 400 minus 10. 390, okay. So this side is 390. Now, let's do this now. 552 minus 162. So we have what? We take 52 from both of them. We're left with this. Okay, alright. Okay, so we have 390 on both sides. Except for this. This will be a minus 390. Minus 390y. Yeah. So now we divide both sides by minus 390. So we divide this by minus 390. Minus 390. So y is equal to -1 on this side. Okay, so we have that. So let's be careful now. We are now moving over to the y's now. So let me get rid of these numbers here. The numbers that I'm going to use for 18 and 24 is going to be 4 and 3, right? So therefore I multiply everything up here by 4. Everything up here is multiplied by 4. Everything down here is multiplied by 3. Alright, why does that 3 look so deformed? Alright, so 23 plus 23, 46 plus 46. So that's 92. So we'll have a 92 x right there. This is obviously a... Alright, hold on. This is now a 72 y. What else now? Oh, 51 plus 51, 102 plus 102. So this is 204. Yeah, so that's 204. So 92x plus 72y equal 204. This right here is equal to 9. This is equal to 72y. Hold on here. Let me see if I can use a little color to. There we go. 3 by 3, 9. 3 by 24, 72. 9 by 3, 27 x right here. So again, the signs that are in front of the 72, both of them are the same. So you're going to have to subtract line 1 from line 2, right? So 207 minus 207 is 0. 72 minus 72 is 0. Alright, so 92 minus 22 is 70, leaving us with 70 minus 5. 70 minus 5 is 65. We will have a 65 x on this side. 204 minus 4, 200 minus 5. Well, that's 195. Now, something tells me that the number that I'm going to get here is 3. I just get the suspicion that that's the case. Alright? 65 plus 65, what that? 130. 130 plus 65, yup. So, if I divide the left and the right by 65, my answer for x is going to be a positive 3. So yeah. So that, yeah, that's the four questions that I left on the board from last time. And there are others. There's other madness that I've seen. But there's some other things I wanted to do. Like something to do with indices, something to do with surds. Oh yeah. What? Okay.